I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. You live and breathe fitness. It's your passion. Now turn that passion into a rewarding career as a fitness coach. Empower others to transform their lives. Make a real difference. As a fitness coach, you'll guide individuals on their journeys to better health and well-being. It's challenging, rewarding, and incredibly fulfilling. Imagine the impact you can have. You'll witness incredible transformations, both physically and mentally. Your clients will achieve their fitness goals with your guidance. You'll build a community of motivated individuals, inspiring each other to reach new heights. This is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to change lives, including your own. Take that leap of faith. Invest in yourself and your passion. The world needs more dedicated and passionate fitness coaches like you. Are you ready to make a difference? Let's get started. Starting your own business can seem daunting, but don't worry, we'll break it down into manageable steps. First, you need a solid business plan. This is your roadmap to success. It outlines your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Next, decide on your business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor, partnership, LLC, or corporation? Each structure has its own legal and tax implications. Research carefully or consult with a business advisor to determine the best fit for your needs. Now, it's time to handle the legalities. This includes registering your business name, obtaining any necessary licenses and permits, and setting up your business banking. Don't underestimate the importance of these steps in ensuring your business operates legally and smoothly. Remember, building a successful fitness coaching business takes time, effort, and dedication. But with a clear vision, a solid plan, and unwavering determination, you'll be well on your way to achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. Navigating the legal aspects of your fitness coaching business is crucial for its long-term success. Ensuring that you have a solid legal foundation can protect you from unforeseen challenges and help you focus on what you do best, coaching and inspiring your clients. One of the first steps is to choose the right legal structure. This decision will impact your taxes, personal liability, and even your ability to raise capital. It's not just a formality, it's a strategic move that can shape the future of your business. Forming an LLC, or limited liability company, offers personal liability protection, separating your business assets from your personal assets. This means that in the unfortunate event of a lawsuit or debt, your personal belongings like your home and car are protected. This is where Bizee comes in. Bizee is designed to make the process of forming an LLC straightforward and stress-free. Bizee simplifies the often complicated process of forming an LLC. With step-by-step guidance and a user-friendly interface, you can complete the necessary paperwork without the usual headaches. Their user-friendly platform and expert support make it easy to establish a strong legal foundation for your business. You can rely on their expertise to navigate the complexities of legal requirements, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. Don't let legal complexities hold you back. With the right support, you can overcome these obstacles and focus on growing your business. Another crucial aspect is obtaining an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This number is essential for tax purposes and is required for opening a business bank account, applying for business licenses, and filing tax returns. This is essential for tax purposes, even if you're not planning to hire employees right away. An EIN helps you keep your business and personal finances separate, which is crucial for maintaining clear and accurate financial records. Bizee can also assist you in obtaining your EIN quickly and efficiently. Their platform streamlines the application process, so you can get your EIN without unnecessary delays. By taking care of these legal requirements, you're protecting yourself from potential liabilities and ensuring that your fitness coaching business operates smoothly. Legal compliance is not just about avoiding penalties. It's about creating a stable and trustworthy business environment. Don't underestimate the importance of these foundational elements in establishing a successful and sustainable business. A well-structured legal foundation allows you to focus on your passion for fitness coaching, knowing that your business is protected and compliant with all necessary regulations. Crafting your fitness niche. Specialization for maximum impact. In the crowded fitness industry, specialization is key to standing out and attracting your ideal clients. With so many options available, clients often feel overwhelmed. By narrowing your focus, you can offer something unique and valuable. What are you most passionate about? This is the first question you need to ask yourself. Passion fuels dedication and consistency, which are crucial for long-term success. Is it weight loss, strength training, yoga, or a specific sport? Each of these areas has its own set of techniques, philosophies, and client needs. Identify your strengths and interests to define your niche. Your strengths are what you excel at naturally, and your interests are what you love doing. When these two align, you find your niche. By focusing on a specific area of expertise, you become the go-to expert in that field. This not only builds your credibility, but also attracts clients who are specifically looking for what you offer. This allows you to tailor your services, marketing messages, and branding to resonate deeply with your target audience. When your message is clear and targeted, it cuts through the noise and speaks directly to those who need it most. Remember, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond than a small fish in a vast ocean. Consider your ideal client. Who are they? What do they need? Who do you want to work with? This is crucial because working with clients who align with your values and expertise makes the job more fulfilling and effective. What are their goals, challenges, and aspirations? Understanding these elements helps you create programs that are not only effective, but also deeply meaningful to your clients. Understanding your target market is essential for crafting a compelling brand message that speaks directly to their needs and desires. This involves research, surveys, and sometimes even trial and error. Once you've identified your niche and target market, you can begin to develop specialized programs, packages, and content that cater to their unique needs. This could include personalized workout plans, nutrition guides, or even mental wellness strategies. This focused approach will set you apart from the competition and establish you as a leader in your chosen field. Clients will seek you out because they know you offer something they can't find anywhere else. Specialization is not just about narrowing your focus, it's about amplifying your impact. Pricing your expertise, valuing your worth. Pricing your services can be tricky. It's a delicate balance that requires careful consideration and strategic planning. Undervalue your expertise, and you risk devaluing your brand. Clients may perceive your services as less effective or less professional. Overprice, and you might alienate potential clients. They may feel that your services are out of reach or not worth the investment. Research industry standards in your area and for your niche. Understanding what others in your field charge can provide a useful benchmark. Consider your experience, certifications, and the value you bring to your clients. Your unique skills and qualifications should be reflected in your pricing. Offer different pricing tiers to cater to various budgets and needs. This flexibility can attract a wider range of clients. This could include packages for individual sessions, group classes, online coaching, or a combination of services. Each package should be tailored to meet specific client needs. Clearly outline what's included in each package to avoid confusion and ensure transparency. Clients should know exactly what they are paying for. Don't be afraid to review and adjust your pricing as needed. The market and your business will evolve, and your pricing should reflect these changes. As you gain experience, build your clientele, and achieve successful client outcomes, you can confidently increase your rates to reflect your growing expertise and value. Your track record of success justifies higher prices. Remember, you're running a business, and your pricing should reflect the worth of your services. Your time, effort, and expertise are valuable assets. Value your time, knowledge, and the positive impact you have on your clients' lives. Your services contribute significantly to their health and well-being. By confidently pricing your services, you demonstrate your professionalism, attract serious clients, and build a sustainable business that rewards you for your hard work and dedication. This approach not only benefits you, but also ensures that your clients receive the best possible care and attention. Networking with other professionals and attending industry seminars can provide insights into effective pricing strategies. Learning from others' experiences can help you refine your approach. Positive client feedback and celebrating milestones can also be a great indicator of your worth. Use these successes to justify your pricing and to motivate yourself to continue delivering high-quality services. Set clear business goals and regularly review your progress. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your pricing strategy aligns with your long-term objectives. Check out the link in the description box below. Finally, remember that valuing your worth also means maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Your well-being is crucial to your success and the success of your clients. By valuing your worth, you not only build a thriving business, but also create a fulfilling career that reflects your passion and dedication to helping others achieve their fitness goals.